So now I want to establish a reference axis using a face and a diameter. And that is very simply done in this system. So I can go to reference axis and it will tell me that there is one established, and I want to clear that. So it wipes the slate clean, tells me that I need to go to my first position, and I'm on the face here. So I am going to say this is I'm going to toggle from top to bottom, ID to OD, and I'm going to call this the top. And in that case, I need to tell what the radius is. So using my scale on the linear slide for the gauge stand, that's 1.675. Enter that. I put in a part name or select from the field here. I can put in a comment or select from something I put in before. It was on the top. I'm going to say apply and use the motor. And just as all the other measurements, it's going to give me values for TIR and flatness of this surface. And it's going to calculate or save that information as far as the center point in this plane to use as the reference axis. I can go back and remeasure that if I'm not confident that that's a true measurement. I've just done this so that I'm going to say that next. I'm going to move on to the next one. So I'm going to move up off of that surface, move the probe away so that I can reorient to a diameter. And I'm going to come up to the top edge of this diameter here, which in this print would be datum A and datum B. So you may have a call out that says concentricity of A and B to A and B. And so I'm going to come up right to the top edge. And I'm going to say that that's an OD, and I'm going to put the height in at 8 inches. And I can put in, it still has the same part name, I can put in a comment, and I'm going to apply that and take a measurement. So as with all the others, this is going to take a roundness and TIR measurement of this surface, and then it's going to, between this diameter and the face that I was on, it's going to create a reference axis that I can then measure perpendicularity, concentricity of other surfaces to that. So I have both values plotted here, and I can go back and retake that last measurement, or I can finish that and I've established my reference axis. So then I can go to either concentricity or perpendicularity, move to that surface that I want to measure to, and get a measurement relative to that axis.